Hey everyone, Scipio here, and I don't know why I'm doing this, but I thought it would be interesting to see what e-ink looked like underneath a microscope. So I have a little microscope device here, and I'm going to record this and show you the results of what e-ink looks like up close. And so you can see here, I'm just going to draw underneath the microscope. This is with, I'm in the paintbrush mode. And then what we're going to do is just drill down to see how this looks when we get closer to it. So bear with me here. We'll just take it slowly. All right, so I don't know the magnification of this. But as you can see, it looks like at this level of magnification, it starts to have this alias, like it's squares, it's blocks. So as we look at it from above, it looks like a clean line. You get closer in, you can see the jagged edges and the little bit of anti-aliasing that happens along the way. But the fascinating thing, I think, is when we get in really close. Look at this is the surface of the screen protector I have. That's kind of fascinating. This is the Elecom screen protector I'm using. So that is kind of crazy all by itself. Let's see if we can get past that and look at the actual e-ink. All right, so now we're drilled down into the e-ink, and here's something fascinating. So in those squares, what you really see are circles. See that? These little cells that get flipped. Let's see if I can get any closer. Yeah, so the surface of this e-ink device is a bunch of tiny little like circles, and they're not even really uniform, which is kind of cool. And then those get flipped into shapes of squares that actually result in the final presentation to the display. I'm guessing that's from just a software perspective. It does it in blocks. Yeah, I don't know. You may or may not find any interest in this, but I thought it was kind of cool. I'm not sure if different lines look differently. Let me go to a pencil here. Oh, look at what the pencil looks like. That's how they do a pencil. I did not expect that. That's the simulation of a pencil. Okay, I gotta look at ballpoint pen now. Ballpoint pen is, as you'd expect, just a really straight line. And not the big squares that you see with the paint. It actually seems to work more on a cellular level. I'll use that term because I don't know what else to call these little circles, these cells that get flipped. So let's look at the brush pen, which is sort of like a fountain tip. Yeah, same thing, works on the cellular level, just thicker, and of course pressure sensitive. So it's kind of fascinating that the brush uses these more squared patterning. I will say the pencil though is my favorite. I think that's cool. Ballpoint pen, and the brush pen. Let's see how text looks. So I'm going to pull up one of my ebooks here. That is the dot of an eye. There's the eye itself. Sort of interesting. I'll come back up a little bit so you can kind of see. At this distance, you can see the texture of my screen protector. That's what e-ink looks like under a microscope. Screen protector. Alright guys, that's it. I don't know why I did this, but maybe you found it interesting. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.